Kreg bench clamp base makes it possible to use the power and convenience of Kreg bench clamps on any work surface, so you can create a versatile clamping station almost anywhere. The bench clamp base is a perfect companion to the Kreg Mobile Project Center, and it allows you to get more from any work surface that's equipped with 3/4 inch or 20 mm bench dog holes. Or you can simply drill a hole on any work surface and easily attach the bench clamp base. Tool-free installation allows you to set up the bench clamp base in seconds. Just slip the anchor bolt through the hole and tighten the locking knob. Slide a Kreg bench clamp into the base and you're all set. And you can move or store away the bench clamp base just as quickly, so it's there when you need it and out of the way when you don't. When installed on your work surface, the bench clamp base can be rotated to any position, so you get 360-degree clamping range. Plus, you get clamping power thanks to the thick aluminum base that can easily withstand the full clamping pressure of the Kreg bench clamp. The bench clamp base works with any Kreg bench clamp, from the earliest versions to the latest bench clamps that are equipped with Kreg's AutoMax auto-adjusting technology. With AutoMax, clamping is fast and foolproof. Just dial in the clamping pressure you need and then squeeze the padded handles. AutoMax technology does the rest, applying the perfect clamping pressure every time on materials up to 3 1/2 inch thick. With the Kreg bench clamp base, you can add clamping capability to your work surface when you need it. And you can easily move the base from one work surface to another, which means you can use the holding power of a Kreg bench clamp where you need it to for all of your do-it-yourself and woodworking tasks. Visit us online at KregTool.com to learn more about the Kreg bench clamp base, as well as our other Kreg clamping solutions that help you complete every project with confidence.
Angle clamps are the perfect solution when you need to hold two pieces perpendicular to each other during assembly. And Bessey's WS3 offers market-beating capacity and flexibility in this category. The package contains the angle clamp itself and a pair of table mount clamps specifically designed for this system. A soft plastic block is provided for snugging the jaws when the clamp's not in use, and the jaw opens and closes quickly and efficiently using the 2K ergonomic handle. The table clamps hold the body firmly on the edge of your bench, while still allowing the jaw to move freely. No tools are needed for securing your WS3 for bench work. The die-cast body of the clamp is plastic coated, providing a solid grip without marring the parts. This makes clamping miters particularly easy. The clamp can be snugged up, the parts adjusted, and then firmly clamped once they're in place. The result is perfect gap-free miter joints. A set of blocks made to the same thickness as the clamp body help to support longer parts for clamping. The faces of the clamp are precision die cast to exactly 90 degrees. Parts are actually moved into alignment during the clamping process as you apply pressure. The angle clamp is perfectly capable of managing tall parts standing on edge as well. And it's not restricted to clamping only corners. The back edge of the clamp is open, allowing parts up to 1 1/8 inches thick to pass by, creating T-joints. Holding the joint firmly until the glue dries, until you nail it closed, or while you drill and screw it all together. The WS3 is perfectly capable of assembling both corner and T-joints from parts of different thicknesses, heights, and even profiles. This is particularly useful for assembling door and window frames. While the clamp allows for T-joints up to 1 1/8 inches thick, miter and corner joints, where the parts don't have to bypass the back side of the clamp, can be made with much wider stock, up to 2 1/8 inches thick. This is perfect for quick and accurate face frames or similar assemblies. The WS3 is excellent for cabinet work as well, holding parts tightly together during assembly or squaring up the cabinet when adding the back. Picture frames, door frames, window frames, face frames, or even cabinet work, the WS3 angle clamp from Bessey will be an invaluable addition to your shop.
Innovation has long been the hallmark of Irwin tools. The next generation of Irwin QuickGrip one-handed bar clamps has arrived. New accessories and upgrades on QuickGrip family of one-handed bar clamps make them easier to use in multiple applications. Irwin's push button makes for faster and more fluid use to each clamp and streamlines utilization of accessories. Removable swivel jaws allow for new applications and enhance the ease of use. New wide pads double the width of the standard clamping pads, distributing the same clamping force across a wider surface area. With the medium and heavy-duty clamps, coupling them together is easier than ever. The bars connect together to increase the length of one-handed bar clamps for large-scale projects. The corner clamp accessory converts one-handed bar clamps into corner clamps that securely hold 90-degree angles with ease. The new hold-down jig accessory turns clamps into strong and sturdy table clamps to hold workpieces while sawing, cutting, or performing other tasks. The edge clamp accessory holds trim and edge work tightly in place, while being glued or affixed to work by other means. The stand accessory provides accurate level clamping power to projects that require parallel clamping at the same time. The deck tool allows clamps to help accurately and safely line up space and securely hold boards in place while laying decking. With the improved functionality of the next generation of Irwin QuickGrip one-handed bar clamps and the added flexibility of the clamping accessories, no project will be out of reach. Do more with QuickGrip.
Hi, welcome to the Pony Jorgensen workshop. Today, we're going to show you the features and benefits of the new Easy Hold Heavy Duty Clamp. The Jorgensen Heavy Duty Easy Hold clamps are perfect for both casual and professional woodworkers. The Easy Hold clamps feature a comfortable grip, a jaw reach of 3 5/8 inches, protective jaw pads, and a quick release lever. Clamping pressure can be applied with one hand by squeezing the trigger. Pressure can be easily released by pressing the quick release lever. This clamp has a clamping force of up to 600 pounds. 2 trigger clamps can be joined together by removing the heads, flipping them over, and sliding their interlocking dovetail attachments together. This will add an extra 6 inches to the combined length of your 2 clamps. A single clamp can also be turned into a spreader by removing the head and attaching it to the other side of the clamp. When you buy 2 Easy Hold clamps, you're actually getting a third larger clamp and 2 spreaders. The Jorgensen trigger clamps are available in 12-inch, 24-inch, and 36-inch sizes. The Jorgensen trigger clamps are perfect for heavy-duty clamping projects up to 600 pounds. Thank you for stopping by the Pony Jorgensen workshop. For more information, please visit ponyjorgensen.com.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.